what time it is?
It's time to hear a story full of wonder. There's so much fun we'll have learning together. So let's go down to the clubhouse with Ollie and his friends. Let's go down to the clubhouse where wonder never ends at the Wonder Clubhouse. We with you at the Wonder Clubhouse. We with you.
Oh, a blue one just flew right past the window and into the backyard. Oh, hi friends, I'm Harper, and this is the clubhouse. I have these binoculars, so now I can see everything in the neighborhood from the clubhouse. Hey, I know what that sound is. It's a woodpecker. Let's look and see if we can find it. Oh, there it is, over there by the park in the tall tree. Hey, what's that? Aha! Fraggle got loose again. Fraggle has so much hair. How can he see through all that fur?
Hoo! Hoo!
Hey, it's another bird. What kind is it? Oh wait, I know. It's our friend Ollie. Ollie, you're a bird too.
Hello, Harper. Hoo! Hoo! Looking at all God made, are you?
Hi, Ollie. Using these binoculars, I can see things all over the neighborhood.
You've got good eyes, it's true. And I know more that you can see and do. Listen to this story. Just follow me through. Hoo!
Follow me through, follow me through. Ollie's got a Bible story for me and you.
Well, hello, friends. I'm Casey, and welcome to Look and See, the place where we look and we look and we see what's in the Bible. I have a special mystery box to help us learn more about what's inside the Bible. Are you ready to look inside and see what we can learn from the Bible today? If you're ready, on the count of 3, yell, take a look. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Take a look. Oh, wow! We have special pictures. I love the picture game. There we go. Hey, what picture do you see? Yes! It's the world. The Bible teaches us that God made the whole world and everything in it. We can't see God, but we know He is real because we can see everything He made. So, this is how to play the picture game. There are special pictures on the other side of each of these posters. I'll give you clues about each picture, and you guess what it is. Are you ready? Here we go! Okay. Guess what this is? It's big and gray and can make loud stops like this. And it has a long nose that sounds like this. What do you think it is? Let's look and see. That's right! It's an elephant! Okay. Ready for another one? Oh, these are so awesome! You can see them outside in springtime. There are so many colors and so many kinds. You have to bend down all the way to the ground, and then you take a deep breath, and you smell the most amazing smell. Do you know what they are? Let's look and see. It's flowers! and lots and lots and lots of different flowers. Red roses, white lilies, and yellow sunflowers. And the list goes on and on. Okay. One more. Oh, you're gonna love this one. Okay. Think of something small, and it has 10 fingers and 10 toes, and it makes cute little sounds like goo goo gaga. Do you know what it is? Let's look and see. It's a baby! God made babies and grown-ups too. God made everyone. I wonder what all these pictures from the mystery box mean. Let's look in the Bible. Oh, we can learn all about God from the things He made. We know God is powerful because He made powerful elephants. We know God is super creative because He made all the beautiful flowers. When we look at all the people, we can know that God made us. And God loves us. God loves us so much that He made the whole world and everything in it. Oh, wait. There's something else in the mystery box. Oh, it's the most special thing God gave us. Because God loves us so, so, so much, He gave us the best gift ever. The most special gift that God gave us, the one that really shows us how much God loves us. Drum roll, please. Do it with me. The most special thing God gave us is Jesus! God's Son. God gave us Jesus to be our friend forever. Wow, I can't see God, but I can know He's real because I can see all that He made. The best part is, God gave us Jesus to be our friend forever. We can see it right here in the Bible. Oh, hey there, Ollie. Tell me, who wants to be your friend forever?
Jesus wants to be my friend forever. Yes, it's true. Now, let's hear it from you. Tell me, who wants to be your friend forever?
Jesus wants to be my friend forever. That's the truth, friends. You better believe it. See you tomorrow for another Look and See. Bye!
So there's your story, and it's all true. We see God in everything He made, and He gave Jesus to me and you.
Thanks, Ollie.
Goodbye to you. Hoo, hoo.
Wow, we know God is real because we can see all the amazing things He made. And He gave us Jesus to be our friend forever. I think I got the story. Did you get it? If you did, say got it. Get it?
Got it!
Good. I can see such amazing things with these binoculars. Like the birds and the trees. And you. I'm gonna take a closer look to see all the awesome things God's made. See you guys next time. Oh, look at that. Oh, and that. That's so pretty.
He's the best friend.